Hello folks, my name is Larry Sbrusch with TX Dash Covers, and we also have a page called Just Make It on Facebook, so be sure to check those out. We're here to offer some suggestions and tips that might help a few of y'all out there. I know there's a lot of people already know a lot about the topic that we're going to be covering today, which is a Nutsert Installation tool. We also offer these online at our website. Again, the name of the site is tx-covers.com. This is a pretty heavy-duty Nutsert installing tool. Today we're going to be demonstrating it with a 1032 thread, a large flange, thin sheet Nutsert. And but first off, we're going to cover the tool itself. Normally our tool will come locked in place as you see it here. It'll have a little wrench on the bottom of it, and I'll show you what this wrench is for here shortly. But we do have the tool of the size we need already installed. But to demonstrate how it's changed out, you'll take this part here and screw it clockwise until it comes all the way off, and then you're going to have this piece here also that you're going to screw clockwise, and it's going to come all the way out. If you're using different Nutserts, you'll have to change these out. Of course, like I said, this is a 10/32 one, so that's the Nutsert that we're going to be using today. Now to put these back in place, you're going to screw this just like we took it out, screw it back counterclockwise. And it also comes with a little tool here to actually change these and tighten them. But you'll have to let the tool all the way out to gain access to it. It goes on here just like so. Right on the end of it. Let's see if we can get to it here. There we go, and you can snug it up. So that part's back in place. Then you'll take the second section, kind of see how the gun is wide open, compress it partially, and then screw this thing in counterclockwise as well. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this out. Now the next part of the gun is, you've got this adjustment right here. You see how close the handle is? You get your fingers in there, it's going to smash it, you're going to holler wow wow. Crank this thing in to where you're comfortable with the use of it and how much you want to pull each time. You'll find your own little custom area that you want to work with, so set it to your comfort zone. Now, these things also come with different tools for different inserts. For instance, here's a 1024. I don't really want to take it out of the bag. And of course, this one is an 832. And this one is a 5/16 18. And we've got a 1/4 20. And then I'm not really sure what size this one was. I didn't pay attention to the bagging on it, but it's a very, very small one. It's like a number 832. You'll be using a lot of different Nutserts depending on the application. This is your basic Nutsert. This is a 1032 thread, grip range 010 to 080. It's a large flange, thin sheet Nutsert, and it's all aluminum. Alright, now this portion of the video we're going to go over a few types of Nutserts. You're going to have steel and you're going to have aluminum Nutserts. Or that's what at least we're going to sell. There may be other ones out there, but we're not familiar with all of them that maybe some other industries might use. But to start off with, this one here is a rather large one. It's a 5/16 by 16, a 5/16 by 18 thread, and the grip range is actually going to be right around 0.30 to 0.125. Now, a lot of people say, well, what is a Nutsert? Well, a Nutsert is going to be threaded part of the way up, about up to here. As you can see from the bottom, let's see if I can get it up there without with the camera focus for you. And then if you look at the other end, you can see the threads down in there. What happens is the tool actually goes in from this side, and it compresses this section up and makes a little ribbon around it here. We'll show you that when we get to the tool and the actual use of it. And again, these three are the big ones. These are the 5/16 18 thread. The next one we're going to have is going to be these here. These are still large flange, thin sheet Nutserts also. 1/4 20 thread, grip range 0.20 to 0.80. Keep in mind that some of these tools, like this tool here, is limited to the size of Nutsert that it can pull. That's that one. Then this one here is aluminum large flange. 1/4 20 thread. Grip range 0.020 to 0.080. This one will require a pneumatic tool as well. That's those three. And the last one is a little small one. This is what we're going to be working with today. It's a 10/32 thread. Grip range 0.10 to 0.80. It's one of the lighter ones. And it is a Zinc Insert. So yeah, you got your zinc, steel, aluminum. Depends on your application. These things are used in a variety of different areas and different applications. All right, we've got another piece of steel here that square tubing, just like a 1 inch, 1 1/4 by 1 1/4, something like that. You can see I've already got one Nutsert in it already. To finish up the video, I've got the Nutsert on the correct size of tool that I need. Now you may have to adjust this head to when you start crimping it so you know that you get the full pulling power. We're going to try to put this in this video without knocking this camera over. See how it goes. Okay, there's that. Now then you'll go in here and unscrew this booger out of here, which is not easy to do always. And keep in mind now, this was a thin sheet Nutsert. And I've used this tool 150, 200 times already. There you go. So you see the Nutsert's in place, and I'll flip the end up on so you can see it inside. What it does is it just kind of chamfers or flares out that little lip right there to keep it inside this metal. This piece of metal here is actually the maximum size that this insert was used for. I'm surprised it even worked. But all in all, it did a pretty good job. Now let's see if we can get a screw in it. There we go. That is all in a ball of wax what a Nutsert is. That was a 10/32. Well folks, I hope this video helped a few of y'all. I've used these things quite frequently, and it's a little more difficult to explain when you're on camera. You can't really get in a good working environment in our situation to actually give you a more professional video. But again, I hope it helped a few of y'all. If we've done any good for anyone, please take a moment and hit the like and subscribe button. We actually need all the help we can get here on YouTube and Facebook. You know, we're not a $1 million corporation that is out there. You're selling hundreds of thousands of dollars of product every day or every month. We're a small company here in South Texas that pretty much a mom and pop operation. And I am a veteran, and I appreciate all y'all veterans out there in this world for doing what you do for our country. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like, subscribe button if we've done any good for you. Thanks for watching.